What's up, guys? This is Professor Spawn. Welcome back in this course. So we are going to start learning Kotlin programming language, but before that, we need prerequisite to be installed in our machine. So the prerequisite we are going to use to learn Kotlin programming language is to have an IDE installed in your machine. So the IDE is nothing but an integrated development environment where you write code, you build the code, you compile the code, and you see all the output. It's not just that, there are various tools available inside the IDE, like to check out from the look remote repository to push the code to the remote repository. Those are called as plugins. So I'm not just going to go deep into that, but let's start with downloading our first, the IDE required to learn the Kotlin programming language. So to have the IDE, you need to go to the google.com and type here as IntelliJ IDEA download, right? IntelliJ IDEA download. I would rather go here and type IntelliJ IDEA download. And the first link you'll see on your Google result will be the link to navigate. So I'm going to click on that and I will navigate to the jetbrains.com. So IntelliJ IDEA IDE is provided by the jetbrains.com, and I prefer this IDE over Eclipse because I like its interface, its ease of use, for developing various applications. As I'm coming from an Android background and I use Android Studio for developing the application, which we'll see in the later part, this is pretty much in line. In fact, the Android Studio uses IntelliJ, right? So once you go to this screen, you will see the two options here, which is Ultimate and Community. So we are going to use Community Edition for JVM and Android development. So for Android development, we are going to use a separate IDE, which I will have a separate video for its installation. But for now, we are going to download this Community Edition because this is where we are going to write our Kotlin program. So if you are a Mac user, just navigate to the Mac tab and just download this Community Edition. And if you are a Linux user, go to the Linux tab and download this software. So as I'm a Windows user, I will go to the Windows tab and I will, click on this download. This will navigate to a new page, which will have a download confirmation, and there will be a window pane to save this in .exe file. So I'm going to save this, and this will install the application in my machine, right? So the task for you is to completely download this and install this software IntelliJ IDEA in your machine, because from next tutorial we are going to start with our first Kotlin project and our first Kotlin program. So this is the task I am giving you. I'm not going to go through the installation process because I think that's vague. So from the next tutorial we will start with the first project in IntelliJ IDEA. Till then, goodbye guys.